everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video is finding you all well and good. Today we are in Pike Lake, Saskatchewan, in the park, in the Pike Lake campground. I've got a site for the night so we can try out the Overland build as far as we've got so far. We've got the rooftop tent on it and we got the awning. So my son Alex is supposed to come join me tonight. I bought a little fire pit that we're going to try out. I was going to get a little compact one, but this one was like on sale and $50 cheaper. It's an actual big fire pit. So we're going to give that a go. Let's get everything set up and let's see how it, well, it's a little windy right now. So we're going to see how setting that awning up is in the wind. All right, guys, let's see how this works out. This is fairly unnerving to say the least, being up here on top of the bed rack, but well, I mean, I should have some confidence in my skills. Kind of moves around a little bit with the suspension of the Jeep, especially if I really want to rock it, but right under there. It's the winter part. Let's get some air moving in here. Oh my goodness, it's already hot. Oh, already you can feel it coming in. All right. So it worked out not too bad. I'll kill some mosquitoes, we'll clean it later. Leave the screen open for the shot. But yeah. I have to see how to take this liner out. Anyways. Yeah, so I mean the awning interfered with the one leg of the canopy, but we just tied it out to the awning with the string. Seems to be working all right. All right, there's supposed to be a little light strip in here, but that must be, well, it must be in the garage at home. Sleeping bag out. Oh, flip it around like this. There we go. All right, let's try this out. Well, there for now. Oh yeah, I mean, it's just me, right? So this will be Oh, diagonal. Way more than enough room. Yeah. Can't wait for the temperature to go down. It's actually pretty warm right now. I gotta go put some shorts on. So let's do that. Let's zip up the bug screen. Whew. I'll go sit down, have a cold beer, and wait for Alex to show up. Well, hold on a second here. I found a USB hookup. Get that battery bank back up here. Oh. All right, so we're just going to freehand it here. I was right, there is lights up there, as you can see. I just plug them into my what do we got here, my little mini EcoFlow that I use for motorcycle camping, until of course we wire up a battery setup for the van, or for the Jeep here. But yeah, there's the light. Oh, it does three different color temperatures, whatever you like. Oh, and you can dim it down. Well, right on. That's pretty cool. Let's zip this up before we let all the bugs in, and let's go check out the tent, because it's, well, let's go have a beer and wait for Alex. That's what we're gonna do. And I went to buy a little tabletop one, but that was on sale and like $50 cheaper, and it's like a full-sized one. Oh, so yeah. I'm like, yeah. Well, right on, right on. That's so cool. Well, that's what we should get for your truck. We should get a rack and a tent and.
Like, is it like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, no, it's aluminum. It's hard. Hard side to climb up in the, go up there and check it out if you want.
How do you get up it?
In the ladder.
Oh.
Wow. It actually doesn't move that much once you're inside. Like,
Feels like those McDonald's fun houses. Yeah, this tent is awesome. I just like how you're so high up.
well, but like getting in and out when you're drunk.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And that's just a cheap Beaver, the cheapest rack I could find. Same with the awning. It's like the cheapest awning I can find. These are all like lit up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll plug them in. That's why I brought my power station. Yeah.
It's actually really big. That's pretty cool.
So a big grad party, maybe?
Maybe.
Did it warm up right away? Because it's just not been long enough. Well, I guess it's not. Oh my goodness. It's not bad. Like, I mean, if this was a really hot day, you know what I mean? 30 above, this would be awesome.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I'm not a fan of it right now. Look at the clouds.
Day.
Kind of temperature, yeah. It's not bad, like, I mean, you get used to it right away, right?
Yeah.
Spray off right before bed would be alright. I guess, oh, it's open. Got a bunch of leaves too. Gates if you want to shower. What? You got a nosebleed? Sweaty. Napkin. I hope it's just a napkin. Ew. Alright, so I just unzipped the what's supposed to be the winter liner. It's summer, I don't really need it at the moment, but it was just kind of droopy, and it just makes it feel like there's more space in here. Every little inch counts, so we're ditching this.
Well, there it is, guys. My overlanding setup. Like I say, you know, this is for being out in the bush, off the beaten trail, and for probably only a night or two. It's not going to be super comfortable for long trips, but that's not the purpose of it. So, like I always say, guys, stay safe, get out there and have yourself an adventure. Life's too short to be sitting around. Go camping or something. Until next time, guys.